Well guys, I realize it's been a while since I've done a video, and I just thought I'd explain the reason why. Not that there's a big reason why, we all go through it. Working hard at work, lots of extra hours. Just come home and just tired, so I really just don't get out here. I come out here yesterday, got a fire going, more or less just sat and stared at the fire. It doesn't help that I went ahead and I tore this truck apart. Now it doesn't move, so I can't even pull it out. I don't know what I was thinking, but I guess I wanted to get moving on it. And then when you got a shop that you can hardly walk through because you take on little side projects. I don't volunteer for them, but he's a good friend, and when he asks, he doesn't have anybody else to do it. Anybody got a spare unloader valve in their pocket? Just had her just tuned, just coming off and on at the right spot, and then I broke it. Broke the brass fitting right off the end of it there. So I gotta get another one. Still gotta get rid of the old wood stove, so I can't even get around the back side of my shop. Today's project is going to be cleaning, I think. If I can keep the energy level up. Feeling pretty good right now. I just feel like sleeping all the time. I just know that next week's going to be cold and I'm not going to have the energy to do anything. I realized when I was looking at my sticker hood here that I was missing somebody. Ron had fallen off and I put him in my toolbox, so we got you back up there, Ron. Everybody's keeping an eye on me, I guess. Well, we'll catch you back if I actually find my floor and do any projects in here. But I'm still here. We'll see you later. Well, that didn't take very long. You know, it's kind of like, don't open the closet. You got the tools put away, but hey, don't open the closet because everything's just going to fall out on you. You got it all jammed in one corner. But I got a little project here that I've been meaning to do since I got this new wood stove. Thanks to old dude. He mentioned a thing called a miracle, or magic heat exchanger. That goes here on your stovepipe. It's a box that has heat exchanger pipes and a fan blowing through to get, get more heat out. Well, I priced them out. TSC over here was your Tractor Supply company over there. They start about over $300, close to $300. I think it was $350 or something like that. They're on sale for $250 or something. And again for $299. It's like $300 bucks. I didn't pay that much for the wood stove. So we're going to do some creative engineering. This is a heater box out of a 1056 Genie Gradall, a rough terrain forklift. The blower motor seized on it, and I saved it because I liked the size of the heater core. I thought maybe I could use that for something. I actually lubed up the bearings in the motor and got it going again, but that's not going to last very long. These things are in dirt all the time. I'm just looking at the size of the box. It's pretty heavy gauge steel. I'm thinking I can come up with something similar to a magic heat. We're going to call it a Brucey heat. We'll see. Let's see how long it takes for me to occupy all this space again. We'll be back. I do my own stunts. Here we are, guys. The first prototype started off with these fans put together, not enough air movement, and my other concern was that I had a plastic impeller there that if for some reason the fan didn't turn on with the switch, she'd melt down on me. So we upped her to an all metal fan. A little louder, that was my only issue. Just that this one here is kind of but we'll see. Here's your here's the prototype. We haven't broke into the fluid at all, so this is just going to be a fan to capture the heat off the top of the stove and around the pipe itself and blow it out into the room. I kind of incorporated the factory shield on the back to come up in behind it as well to take any heat off the back of the stove. And I guess the next step is to get a fire going on this and see what it does. See ya. So what do you think, guys? My spin on a magic heat. A little bit of a fire going there. Oh, getting carried away. But anyways, it seems to be working good. I got a comfortable 70 degrees in here. Sitting back in my chair. The fan itself is loud. That I'm going to have to do something about because I can't deal with that. It's just wicked loud. I mean, it's throwing the heat like you couldn't possibly believe. But you can't hear me talk. I can't hear myself think. But anyways, that's what I got. She's gonna do the job nicely. Heating my shop up with a little wood stove. So there you go, guys. That's what I got done this weekend. Not a heck of a lot. I managed to... I got a few things on the floor. It's not too bad. I can clean them up some other time. But until then, Sunday afternoon, I think I'm just going to kick back, watch a little TV, and contemplate some more projects. And next week we'll get heavy into this truck. We'll get sanded on the inside, get the floors ready to go, and the dash finished up, and maybe shoot this with some paint. If I can maintain enough heat in this garage. It's kind of hard to turn an exhaust fan on with a wood stove, though it tends to suck the smoke right back into the shop. So we'll see what kind of temperature we're going to have next week, because this week is going to be cold. So anyways, guys, have a good week. See ya.